guys, my name is Joao Gabriel Rocha. I'm here with my brother Pedro, and I want to show you one position, the sweep, and take his back. Okay, let's go. The sweep starts in X guard, okay, and I don't want the hand be comfortable and these times, and I just stretch a little bit my legs for him don't be so comfortable here, okay? Now the second step, I need to pass his leg over my head and grip his parent here or his belt, whatever you want, guys. The second step, I need to pass my hands out for in here and block his leg here and grip his parent in the same side of his knee, okay? And I come for one hip escape here, little bit. My legs is out, I want my legs in. Now, I just kick him and finish the position. And put the hooks. Don't forget this.